This segment is sponsored by the Thumbs Up Guys. What should you, and more importantly, what should you not say to an insurance adjuster after a car accident? Brandon Dawson and Jeffrey Ward are here with more. I like this segment because sometimes we run our mouth and it gets us in trouble.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's dive in. How can seemingly harmless statements be used against you later on in a claim?
Well, what's terrible is adjusters are very well trained in asking questions in such a way that regardless of how you answer, it's going to be used against you. So the biggest one we always tell people is if you've talked to an insurance company, one, don't talk to the insurance company.
First thing.
Before talking to us, like just to get some advice. But if you have, or if you're going to, before you contact a lawyer, don't downplay your injuries. You don't know how severe they are. I mean, just saying, well, I'm okay, that's going to be used against you. You might have a broken leg, but you are okay, you're not dead. But that is always, that's the biggest one. Downplaying injuries, downplaying the severity of the impact, anything like that. This is not a time to, be proud and be strong. Like that's only going to be used against you. It's going to hurt your case if you say something like that early on.
Are there any specific phrases that we shouldn't? You said downplay, but anything specifically do not ever say?
I mean, something along the lines of, oh, it wasn't that bad. I'm not that hurt.
I'm fine.
Sorry it happened. That's certainly one that they could say. Well, if you're saying you're sorry, well, then you did something wrong. You're like, no, I'm just sorry the whole event happened. That your person plowed into me. So they can just twist words. Like Jeff said, the number one thing I would tell people is just don't talk to the insurance company. Give us a call. If it's not something that we necessarily can help you out with, we can still give you some advice. We've got some one-sheeters that we can email over to you to say, hey, here's how to deal with property damage. Here's how to deal with some of this stuff, just so that you're not being outsmarted and outfoxed by the insurance companies that are ultimately trying to pay you as little as possible.
I like that. Don't be outfoxed. That's why we need you guys.
Yeah, and one thing that's also really important, they might push you and say you have to give a recorded statement. That is a lie.
Really?
You do not. All you have to do.
Tricky.
They do have to investigate. That's part of the opening a new claim. It has to be investigated, and they'll say, well, part of this investigation is you have to give a recorded statement. You have to cooperate with the investigation. There's a whole host of things you can do besides a recorded statement. You can give an unrecorded statement. You can give an affidavit outlining what happened. You can answer questions. I mean, pushing for a recorded statement is probably what we hear most about. And when someone calls in, one of the first questions we ask is, did you give one? And we hate hearing that they did, because they were probably bullied into it. They just, probably the insurance adjuster acted like this is all part of the process, just as this the next step. And it's just not true. You don't have to do it. Don't do it. It's only going to hurt your case, because that recorded statement is going to be used against you time and time again as the case moves forward.
Is it ever okay to talk to an adjuster? Or if they call you, just say no thanks?
Again,
hang up.
If you call us first and you kind of said, all right, this isn't necessarily a case that we need to help you out with, then you're going to have to, like Jeff said, cooperate in the investigation. But
we'll have your talking points.
Now if we have to, if we're involved, there's many times where I've been on the phone with them. Like Jeff said, we do an unrecorded call. We get with them before we get with our clients beforehand to say, hey, these are some of the things that you don't want to say. We will, interject if something is being said that we don't want answered, because it's not a deposition. They're not required to answer these questions. That you can 100% refuse to answer questions. It might delay the process, but again, you're not required by law to answer any of these things.
Such useful information as always for the folks at home. What's the best way to find you? Reach out.
As always, just Google the Thumbs Up Guys. Give us a call, 843-885-8000, or visit inpain.com.
Yep, you guys are everywhere. Inpain.com. As always, thank you. Always good to see you. We're going to take a break. We've got more Low Country Live right after this.